Hey YouTube, today I want to do a quick end user review of this Shibumi Sunshade. This is the wild new craze in sunshades on the beach. And there are places that we've gone, and everywhere you see someone have one of these. So we decided to try it out. There are tons of videos on the internet showing you how this thing works. You just connect a whole bunch of little aluminum rods. There's a bungee cord in there. You connect them up. You stick them about 6 to 8 inches in the sand on each side. Fill a bag with sand with a string for some support and just put it at a 90-degree angle to the wind. Sounds nice and easy, and it works when it really works. But when there's no wind, this thing just drops like lead, and it's exactly like this. There's no shade, no wind, very little wind. If the wind is shifting, like today the wind's been shifting all day long, you have to take these things out of the ground and consistently move this thing around to accommodate for the shifting winds. And then too, there's no sun right now. But when the sun's out, this thing only provides about 30 SPF sunshade. And you could see the amount of light coming through as compared to a regular umbrella. You know, this thing, you could easily get roasted underneath it if you don't have any sunscreen on, or if you're really fair skin or what. I'm fairly dark, and this thing, I was roasting underneath it in the sun. Other than that, it's really easy to set up, really quick to put into the ground. As you can see right now, it's just totally still, no wind. If the sun was out, no wind, no shade. Well, I hope this gives some perspective on this Shibumi Sunshade. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.